So once you work around with the torso, it's time to work around with the arms. And to do that, I'm just going to go to arms right here. And just like torso, you do not need to exactly choose a female arm right over here. So you can go to something like male scan 2 right over here, which is a type of a male arm. And then once you click that, you can see that it attaches right over here, just like that. So you want to have a Frankenstein-like monster right over here, then you can create something like that. But over here, I'm just going to go to arm and choose the tune female arm right over there so that it seems seamless, just like that, as you can see. So just like you work with the torso, you can go over here and work with the arm right over here. So you can push and pull this out right over here, just like that. So you can make the arm smaller, larger right over here, just like that, and work around with this. So you can make this thinner by clicking and dragging right over here. So there are sections that you can bring up, down, and so forth right over here, and change that out accordingly. So you can change around the size of the fingers right over here, just like that, and work around with them. And with any other parts, you can go on to the customize section, and then you can work around with the arms over here as well, just like this. So this is the arm right over here. So you can change this out, and you can see that it gets changed right over here. There's the arm overall right over here. As you can see, there's like the forearm right over here, which you can adjust, and everything here happens in symmetry, which makes it easy to work with. So you can see, you can work around with the shoulders right over here, push and pull it in. You can work with the taps right over here, as you can see, and you can work with the wrist right over here as well, wrist thin or thick right over here. So that is how you can work around with the arms inside of Fuse and change it according to how you like. So that is how you work around with the arms in Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.